Hey everybody, welcome to week 5 of the budget build off. We're gonna get a lot accomplished, I hope anyways. Got my accounting sheet done, didn't fire my accountant. Started out with 5036. I think we spent a total of $46.15 this week, giving us $4.21 left for next week. We got shocks, links, some cheap axle shafts that I had that I threw in there. I don't necessarily have to use those. I'll go over a few things when I do this. Most of this came from AliExpress or Amazon. You can find some great deals on both of those. Just have to be on the lookout for them. Keep track of them every day. So I guess we'll start trying to put this thing together. Probably do a time lapse. I don't know if y'all want to see me struggle through putting all this together. Whenever I get to a point where I need to explain something, I will do that. I already put the steering links on the front and attached it to the servo, just because that's a pain. I had to drill out the couple of the holes. I had to drill out a couple of the holes in the servo horn. They were way too small. I think they're set up more for SCX24, but fits nice in the lay down servo mount. But I'll get to assembling and I guess enjoy the time lapse. Quick little insert here. If you do a 6x6 kit, email Enjora and they will and get Red Catacent 18 links, or drive shafts, not links. They don't have the D-shaped hole on one end, so they're perfect for a 6x6 kit. If you email them, circle what you want on, take a screenshot, circle what you need. They're really good about just sending you that one part, and working. Their customer service is outstanding. But this is a Red Catacent 18 rear link. I think I got it for $8. I'm not real sure, but definitely get with Enjora if you just need one rear link, or one rear drive shaft. I'll get it right sooner or later. Kind of messed up a little bit, guys. As you can see, had a complete brain fart, I guess, if you want to call it. I was trying to put the shock where the link goes. Yeah, not the brightest. It's been a long day. It's been a long week. Keep your head up. Keep strong. That's all I can say. Turning that back down, I had to loosen them because I didn't know what I was doing wrong. But got the rear axle done. Mid axle done. It's a lot of parts, a lot of screws, a lot of bits and pieces. Front axle's done. I guess I'll go find all my screws. You'll have to use spacers between the shocks and the frame. That's most of the LCG kits that you buy. You have to use some kind of spacer. The shocks normally, a lot of them will come with spacers. If not, I think the LCG chassis do. They come with one of them. Not sure which one. But I will go find those and we'll start assembly. Okay guys, I'm back. Found all my screws. Went on a witch hunt for them. Not a witch hunt. That was bad terminology. Went on a hunt for them. Finally found them. They were sitting right by me. That's how it goes sometimes. I guess we'll start by assembling the front end first. Make sure your drive shafts are in phase. I usually try to start with the bolt facing up that you have on your drive shaft, nut, golly, screw, whatever they come with. This is going to be a struggle. I got too much crap in the way. But we'll start doing this. I'll try to replace the screws that I had all mixed up and mismatched earlier while I'm doing this. And let's get this started. All right, guys. That was me fumbling my way through this. Sure, I'll have to adjust the shock mounts and shock locations, but it does flex. Probably not the most amount of flex you can get, but it flexes. I'll have to get the wiring sorted out. As you can see, my shop decided to destroy itself. That's good times. Gotta fix that. Pick up the guy. Gas pump fell over. I'm sure that's some kind of EPA hazard. Batteries laying around, tools everywhere. It's a disaster. I'm hoping this thing's up and running soon. A problem with the 6x6 is trying to get all the axles in phase. They're pretty close. They're not perfect, but I don't see any issues arising out of that. But I will have to work on the geometry maybe. I don't know, that rear drive shaft's pretty straight right there. It doesn't have a lot of give flex. I don't know what the word is. That's it right now. I'm going to work on some wiring probably. Get all the wires ran. God bless, man. Fix my garage walls because that's embarrassing. But that's it for now. Get the wheels and tires on maybe. And that's it for the wheel install. You know, I struggle a little bit sometimes. Fat fingers, all that stuff. Seems to have, they flex. And everything's turning in the right direction. Week 6, we'll probably have some little more assembly. Got to figure out what to do with, there's a pointer, this area. As you can see, I did cut this part off to help clear the links. Take my phone out and see if this works any better. This part right here is gone. Just the shock mounts off the front, basically. Just gotta figure out what to do with the bed. I did make these. It's just a piece of styrene. I don't know what size. I think number 224, something like that. And just screwed it in just to give some rigidity. I don't know if I'm going to take those out. I don't know if I'm going to paint them. But it's a cheap solution. You can get a pack of 4. I don't know how long they are, for like $3 at Hobby Lobby or any local hobby shop, probably. That's the build so far for now. I don't know what the angle is supposed to be on a drive shaft when it's like that, but I also put one of those little cross braces in the front. Stole a little hack from Tron Sutton over at You Know I Rock RC. Wrapped my cables all nice and neat. So thanks, Tron. Really appreciate that. That's it, I guess, for week 5. Like I said, I think I have $4.21 left over to carry into week 6, so that'll give me $54.21. We're probably not going to spend it, not all of it. It's going to be mostly styrene, I think. We'll see how that goes. And in the meantime, everybody have a great day.